Voices of dissent are silenced with imprisonment, intimidation, and too often even targeted killings. Among the many courageous Rwandans who have dared to speak out, opposition leaders have faced the worst. One of the most well-known is Victoire Ingabire Umuhoza. Victoire Ingabire has been arrested again on new trumped-up charges. Her story is emblematic of Kagame's zero-tolerance approach to opposition.
This is our mother. She's, she's suffering hard, and she's willing to pay that price. And the world must understand that, those activists, those people that we admire, they are ordinary human beings like us. Now we cope through, advocating and longing and hoping and putting all our strength in believing that she will overcome and be victorious, as her name is, Victoire.